That better be true, or I'll drag you before the disciplinary committee of the Bar Association. And tell them why.
I was making you work for your paycheck. Now listen, Counselor. You're running and gunning some cheap plea down my client's throat.
Your client is facing a murder rap. The rope we found in his car matches the marks on Montez's dad.
And the same kind of rope you find in the prison machine shop. It's all circumstantial.
Well, it's not circumstantial when you have a fiber match and hair from Montez on the rope from Carter's car.
Well, I guess we'll have to wait and see what the jury says.
You and I both know that he was the only guard on the floor for 45 minutes. That's enough to bury him, and bury him right well, along with you and your Sinn Féin money. When I present your conduct in this case before the bar, and your clear-cut conflict of interest, you'd be lucky to have a license.
You want to present some options to my client? Go ahead. You won't get any argument from me.
Carter says he killed Montez on orders from O'Connell. Orders? Yeah, O'Connell is his IRA superior on the chain of command. McCarter thinks of himself as a soldier, a loyal member of a long-standing army that has been under arms in one form or another since the Battle of the Boyne, and that was about 300 years ago. You researched this? No, it was spoon-fed to me. My grandmother was Irish. Fahey. She thought it was a holy war. Michael Collins, Robert Emmet. She'd recite those names like they were saints in heaven. I suppose in the time they were, but the likes of McCarter and O'Connell are thugs. They're Nazis with brogues.
You worry about putting O'Connell on trial, might give him legitimacy, turn into a martyr.
To a fanatic, a trial is just an opportunity to win converts.
How solid is this case?
McCarter says he'll testify. O'Connell admitted strangling Mustafa, but that